All right, guys, so today we're gonna have our first giveaway, and I'm gonna give you all the information of our first giveaway ever for Monument Grills, and I'm gonna tell you guys all the information at the end of this video. All right, guys, so Monument reached out to me and said, we want to send you this. I want you to show it to everybody. And I was happy because I had a gas grill and it broke midsummer and I just never got one. Now, patience, and I got one. All right, guys, so I'm glad I got this. So it's time to put this together. And as you know, I'm going to show you guys a little quick setup video to help you guys out. We're looking at about, oh man, it's a lot of good stuff on this grill, so it's gonna take some time. We're looking about an hour. I would say about 2 hours tops. You know, I was trying to figure out things to go, but hopefully you'll learn some stuff in this video that'll help you guys assemble this pretty easy. First things first is you want to add these rollers in the bottom part. Now this is pretty easy. This is probably the easiest part of the whole thing. You just got to put it in there. It just slides in. And you can do the same thing for all four of them. Now we're going to put these walls up, and on one side of the wall there's this black box that is the batteries for the light. That's going to be on your right side. Always remember that when you're putting these walls up, on the right side. Pretty much a lot of this installation, all you got to do is unscrew a little bit just so this white slide in, this walls will slide in. That's the beauty of this. The screws, most of it, the screws are already in there. You just have to take them out a little bit, slide them apart. To put the back wall, you're going to use 4 B screws on this. Now we're going to put these 2 side plates. The screws are already in here. All you got to do is take them out a little bit and slide it in. So now this part right here is where I kind of had a little bit of trouble trying to make these work, but after moving them here and there, they finally work in, and all right, now that your bottom part is already set, now it's time to add this bad boy, the main grill part, on top of it, which you'll need 2 people for this, because I try to do it one and you can't do it. You gotta have 2. Once you put it up there, you're gonna get 4 B screws and screw them in the holes. That's it for that. So now we're putting the side right burner first. It's gonna go on the right side. This is the burner, not the sear one. So this one you're gonna need 2 B screws and 2 washers. And there's 1 screw already. Once you do that, you're gonna do the left side now, the sear one, and it's pretty much the same thing. So you're gonna do the same thing all over again. Now we're just gonna add, you're pretty much done. This is all the main stuff. Now you got the little stuff, the easy part. You're gonna put the round thermometer in the front. That one's pretty easy. You can't mess that up. And then everything else, now you just have your propane holder that's gonna slide in and out. A couple things here, but all that part is easy, guys. That you guys don't even need them to see that, because it's telling you that it was nothing. I knew that. That took no time, minutes to do the rest. Just the main things that I just showed you. So now, you guys want to know about the giveaway? So here is Monument's 8 burner with lights, with a nice mirror, a nice glass in the front so you can see your meat cooking. Oh man, this is a beauty, all stainless steel. Let's have a quick look how it looks now it's all set up. All right, guys, so now it's time to give you the instructions for our first giveaway. It's going to be 2 things we're going to be giving away thanks to Monument Grill. So we're going to do is the first giveaway is going to be a portable griddle. They also have portable griddles, so you guys want to check their size. They got smokers, they got little griddles, portable griddles, gas grills. So we're going to give away a 2-burner gas griddle. We're also going to be giving away a portable gas grill. So those are the 2. Now, what do you guys need to do to enter this giveaway? Very easy. You have to make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Yes, we can tell if you're subscribed or not. Also, make sure you're subscribed. Go to Monument Grills. I'll leave a link in the description. Click that link. It'll take you to their YouTube. Follow them. Come back to this video and leave a comment of which one you guys want. Which one you guys like? The griddle or the little portable gas grill? Or if you guys like both, just put both. So then, weekend before Thanksgiving, I'm gonna go live for the first time. I'm going live on YouTube. We're gonna have a little celebration going on here. I'll probably cook something for you guys live. And we're gonna pick 2 winners. Okay? We're gonna pick 2 winners. Now, if you win, but you're not subscribed to one of us, you're automatically out of the contest, and we're going to pick another guy. So make sure you're subscribed to us, and make sure you're subscribed to Monument Grills. Then come comment and let me know which of these 2 did you like, that you would like. So when you win, you'll get the one you picked. If you're the second winner, but the one you wanted is already picked, then you get to have the other one that hasn't been picked yet. So remember, guys, we're going to go live the weekend before Thanksgiving to pick the winners out. So we're going to do all that live just for you guys. I'll cook some. That doesn't take too long. Probably on this Monument Grill. So I will see you guys next time.